by a car. I don't know. That's weird. Oh my God! Trevor, thank you. He's alive. Let's go beat him up. Fuck! Gotta go. What? What is going on? What is this? My phone? Did aliens take over? Oh no! Save Shrek! This is not the right phone. That's not the right thing. I gotta put the right one on. Yeah, there we go. Okay, that's more like it. Okay, let me go beat the shit out of Fagio. Okay, not get mad. Oop. Let me see who this is. Hello?
Hey, Timothy.
You know, you sound an awful lot like my Uncle Jimbo.
That's because I am.
I don't think so. My Uncle Jimbo never called me Timothy. He called me faggot and stuff like that.
Timothy, you gotta listen to me. I took over Jeremy's body.
Really? How'd you do that?
Because I have the power of queers.
Is that a real power? 'Cause that's really lame.
Shut the fuck up. There's not time for that. Timothy, I'm here to warn you. Your dad, he's alive.
Dad? Dad's alive? What are you talking about? How are you alive? What is this? Is this a dream?
No, Timothy, it's not a dream. Your dad's alive, and he's gonna kill you, he's gonna kill me. He hired fucking Fagio to kill you.
What do you mean he hired? My dad loves me.
No, Timothy, it's time for you to open your eyes. Think about it. Your dad hates you. Fuck you, Timothy. Yeah, eat these crayons. Timothy, shove this pencil up your butthole so it hurts. I love seeing you in pain.
You're right! Oh my God! My dad does hate me!
Timothy, right now is not time. He's gonna kill me in 24 hours. I have to save you. We have to kill him. He has to die. He's a bad man.
I can't though, he's my dad!
He hates you, Timothy. You're gonna die if you don't kill him. You don't understand. Everything in your life. Everything. Amanda. All of them. Everybody you've ever met. They all were part of his plan to destroy you.
What?
They all hate you, Timothy. Nobody has ever liked you. I always hated you. I thought you were a fucking queer. I mean, look at you. I mean, you look like a fucking... I don't even know. You look retarded. I mean, your head's like humongous. Your cheeks, I mean, you look like... Your cheeks got slapped really hard. And you have freckles. And for some reason, you're always wearing a headband. And no shirt. And short shorts. I mean, I'm gay, so it's okay for me. But why are you doing that?
'Cause it's cool.
I don't think it's very cool. That's not the point, Timothy. Right now, you have to kill your dad.
But he's my dad. I can't.
Timothy, listen to me. Fuck you. No, I'm sorry. That's the past. Timothy, go kill your dad.
Achoo! What?
Timothy, go kill your dad.
Who's this?
This is Jimbo. We just had a 20-minute conversation.
My Uncle Jimbo's dead. What are you talking about?
Are you telling me when you sneeze you forget the last fucking 20 minutes?
I don't know what you're talking about. My Uncle Jimbo's dead. Goodbye.